Hello friends, welcome back to Market Workit. Today is 14th of July and I'm back again with another update. So this is going to be a quick one. So just wanted to give an update on the on today's price action in the market. So as we had anticipated, friends, Nifty did react at the 200-day simple moving average. So yesterday it did not show a strong reaction as such. It formed kind of an indecisive candle right at the resistance of this 200 SMA. But today, following all the global cues and other domestic news, it did make a big fall, about 2%, and then touched it came all the way close to 10,550 and 200 EMA, and then reacted back, moved up, inched up slightly higher, but it's still looking pretty weak, but at the support of these two levels. And there are a lot of supports available here. The 10,550 is one, 200-day exponential moving average, 20 EMA. So a lot of support available here. I don't think it will be a easy fall here. There may be some obstacles, some resistance to the downfall, if any, from here. So globally, the markets are in green. The global markets are in green as of now. SGX Nifty is also green. Not sure this will continue here, or will it actually go back and try to test those levels? Will it kind of start moving sideways here? This is yet to be seen. So this is actually a very bearish candle. But let's see if this finds a support, more selling continue from here, or does it start moving sideways from here? A lot of strong support available here, as I said. So let's see. Let's keep reviewing in the coming days whether or not this downfall will continue or will turn into a sideways movement. Right, friends. So this is about Nifty. So as support, we have 10,550, 200 EMA, 20 EMA, and 10,320. And on the resistance, we have 200 SMA and 11,000. Right, friends. So this is the range Nifty has formed over last couple of days. 10,000, pretty much 10,900 to 10,600. So a break on any side will actually give a big move. Right, friends. So let's look at Bank Nifty as well. The Bank Nifty saw a deeper correction today, close to 3%, about 3%. So as we had seen last in the last video, friends, so Nifty had broken out into the trend line, long-term trend line of 20 from 2013. It had broken into the trend line, but it did not actually see follow-up buying, and it formed very weak candles, and it has actually broken down again. So this was a false breakout. So yesterday also it formed a very bearish candle, and it actually slipped back out of the trend line. And today it was a gap down, and it ended up correcting more than 3%. But it is at the support of 50 EMA as of now. So it did react after touching 50 EMA, and this is the reason we saw a reaction on Nifty as well from the bottom. So it did react a tad bit, but need to be seen. Will this downfall continue, or will it take support from this 50 EMA and start moving upwards and get into a sideways market? That needs to be seen. So for Bank Nifty as support, we have this 50 EMA and the 2015 highs of 20,100 and 20,000. So these are the highs of let me show it on the monthly chart. Right, friends. So this is the range, the highs that were formed in 2014 to 15 to 17. So this will also act as support. So we have the 50 EMA and the support levels, and you can see there are multiple reaction here. It has actually played at these levels, have played as resistance and support before, so that it will continue to act as a support. So let's see if it will continue the down move and break these, or will it consolidate for more time here. We need more confirmation here, but no doubt the Bank Nifty is pretty bearish as of now. Right, friends. So that's pretty much. Just wanted to give a short update on today's market action. See you again in the next video. Thank you.